The gift that Untlamula gave to Lindiwe came as a shock to most of us because it was a machine. Now, this machine duplicates people's stolen cards. I mean, this guy is taking the scamming thing to another level, guys. And I hope criminals are not going to see this because they might get some crazy ideas. Now, Lindiwe seemed very shocked, but there was nothing she could do because at the end of the day, she's in it, guys. If Untlamula gets arrested, Lindiwe is also going to get arrested for being the accomplice. The fact that she went along with this plan and she didn't say anything, knowing very well that what he's doing is criminal activity, is really hectic, guys. Love lives here, we hectic, guys. I mean, the things that we do for love. Graph. Moving on to Usimo now, he had a conversation with Uduma, again putting some crazy ideas in Uduma's head. This comes after Uduma told him that Umamba threw him out of the mansion, and apparently now he's basically homeless. And Usimo was like, so what are you gonna do about it? Are you gonna let this man walk all over you, or are you gonna stand up and fight like a man? I suggest that you go out there and you have an interview with NFH and you tell them rather exactly what your father has done and how you feel about this whole debacle. Now, obviously, because Uduma listens to everything that Usimo says, he just went along with the plan. And moving on to the scammers, Ulindiwe and Untlamulo. Now, they're busy right here doing the MasterCard thingies and, duplicating people's cards. Like, it's going down, guys. It is going down. But the thing is, what really took me by surprise is the fact that they did this in Lindiwe's flat. And Umpila overheard a bit of the conversation, although I'm not sure if she really knows what's going on. But hi, okay. Moving on to Gloria and Utimi. Now, Gloria went to the Newtonian to look for a job, and this was Hosi's job, basically the job that Hosi used to do as a tour guide. And Timmy wasn't really that friendly because apart from him telling Gloria there's no job available for her, he also went as far as saying, Gloria is old, and she really didn't take this lightly because you could tell that she really wants to do something. I mean, she just doesn't want to sit around doing nothing, and this really wasn't good, in fact, for Gloria. And you know how Gloria is. She just doesn't stand there and let people walk all over her. She was going back and forth for a while with him. Either way, moving on to the scammers again, Untlamula and Ulindiwe. Now they are now at the bank. Well, Untlamula walked in with two of his friends, and they took the cards obviously to the bank to withdraw money, and Ulindiwe definitely wasn't happy about that. And here is Usimo talking to Puloko about the whole debacle Yaga Duma. Moving on to Timmy and his ex. Now this is his ex. Hey girl, her name is, I think, Inufa, if I'm not mistaken. Now, she's really pretty and they seem like they have history, and she's back in town. She actually came up with this whole story about the fact that she's been scammed. No, not scammed, rather. Her bank cards were taken. Now she needs a place to stay. Now Timmy is out here, trying to organize a room for her in the Newtonian. I don't know. I just feel like this girl is gonna take Utimi for a ride, and it seems like Utimi really is into her. And just seeing him lighten up and tell Stokis was, I'm meeting someone special, and she's someone that's from my past, was really sweet. I mean, I don't even know that he's like the dating type, but hey. Moving on to Uboniswa and Tomani. Now Tomani called a mommy dearest to tell her that Uduma is about to do the interview at NFH, and obviously everyone was shocked and they weren't happy, especially Omamba. So he gave the order for Uboniswa and Ogabachev to go there and drag his ass out of there so that he doesn't do the interview, because it's basically going to be more damage for his side and his campaign. And guys, it seems like this whole thing Agadoma is just getting worse, and we know who the mastermind is behind this. Simo, guys. Simo is just a lot. But anyway, please do subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you next time.